Hello viewers, Instagram recently launching new feature in Instagram settings named Update in Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Update in Instagram option not showing in Instagram settings. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all, go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Now long press on Instagram app. Click on app info or I button. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Go back. Click on force stop. Now click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Restart your phone. After all this process, I hope your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.